Now please see the next question. If you remember, in our two vessels or two mixtures problems which we solved 15-20 minutes before, the ratio were mixed in some ratio other than the equal ratio. Now, what if it is three vessels or three containers mixed in some other ratio? What we solved the previous question is three vessels are mixed in same ratio. Three vessels are mixed in same ratio in my previous question. What if they are mixed in different ratio? It really does not make any difference. I already taught you for two vessels. Apply the same logic once again here. That means, please see this question, sir. Three containers have their volumes in the ratio 3:4:5. That means I should mix the three mixtures in the ratio 3:4:5 later on. That I will take care of it later, right? That I will take care of it later. Now see here. The next statement says they are full of mixtures of milk and water. That means milk and water is what is present in all the three containers. The mixture contains milk and water in the ratio of 4:1, 3:1 and 5:2, right? This is what the ratio is given. The contents of all these three containers are poured into a fourth container and they are mixed in the ratio 3:4:5, which is given in the first statement. Find the ratio of milk and water in the fourth container. Very easy, sir. I already solved it for two containers. This is another extra one container. It really does not make any difference. 4 plus 1 totally 5 liters is present in first container. 3 plus 1 totally 4 is present in second container. 4, 5 plus 2 totally 7 is present in third container. Can I say that? First, they are not in equal ratio. First of all, make it equal. After making it equal, multiply 3:4:5 for that equal ratio, so that the final will become 3:4:5. Why? Because 1:1:1 multiplied with 3:4:5 is nothing but equal to 3:4:5 itself. That means first make it as 1:1:1. 5, 4 and 7. You should make it as 1:1:1. LCM is 5 into 4 into 7. Right? LCM is 5 into 4 into 7. That means 5 should be made as 5 into 4 into 7. Multiply by 4 into 7. Multiply this value by 4 into 7. 4 should be made as 4 into 7, 5 into 4 into 7. Multiply 3:1 by 5 into 7. I believe you are understanding. 7 should be made as 5 into 4 into 7. Multiply this ratio with 5 into 4. But this, when I multiply this with these values, I will get it as equal ratio. But question says they should not be equal. They should be mixed in the ratio 3:4:5. So multiply first value by 3, second value by 4, third value by 5. Now if you observe carefully, in all the three values, 4 is there. Cancel that 4 ratio in each of the case. That means 4:1 I am multiplying with 21. What is the 21? 7 into 3 is 21 itself. 4 into 21 is nothing but 84. 1 into 21 is nothing but 21. Next, 3:1 I am multiplying with 7 into 5, 35. 3 into 35 is 105. 1 into 35 is 35. Next, 5:2 I am multiplying with 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5 is 125, and then 2 into 25 is 50. Resultant in the fourth container is 84 plus 105 plus 125. It is 314. 21 plus 35 plus 50. It is 106, which can be further divided by 2, which is nothing but 157:53. Answer for this question is 157:53. There is no difference, sir. It is only until you understand you will struggle. Once you understand, you will start loving it. Until you understand, definitely you are going to struggle. But after you understand it, I am sure that you will start loving the concept, sir. Another question for your better understanding. These all the questions I want to repeat it to 1 or 2 or 3 questions similar model, so that my students will not face any problem. See here, 3 containers A, B, C are having mixture of milk and water in the ratio 1:5:3:5 and 5:7 respectively. That means it is given as 1:5, 3:5, 5:7. That means first mixture is 1 plus 5 6, second is 3 plus 5 8, third is 5 plus 7 12. LCM, first of all, okay, let me read the next statement first of all. If the capacities of 3 containers are in the ratio 5:4:5, they don't want you to make it in the ratio 1:1:1 and stop it. They actually want you to mix it in the ratio 5:4:5. So first make it as 1:1:1, multiply with this 5:4:5, so that finally it will be 5:4:5. Find the ratio of milk and water if all the 3 mixtures are if the mixture of all 3 containers are mixed together. Now see here, first of all let us make 1:1:1. It is not in 1:1:1 as of now. It is in the ratio 6:8:12. 6:8:12 should be made as 1:1:1. That means, can I say that LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is, it is 24, right? It is 24. First make it as 24. 6 should become 24, multiply by 4. 8 should become 24, multiply by 3. 12 should become 24, multiply by 2. Now I made it equal at this point of a time. It is 24:24:24 as of now, which is equal ratio. But I don't want it equal. I want it to be in the ratio 5:4:5. Multiply first one by 5, second one by 4, third one by 5. Simple logic, and no ratio can cancel. In fact, this can cancel out if you want to cancel. 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 2. That means 1:5 should be multiplied with 2 into 5, 10. So it becomes 10:50, right? It becomes 10:50. Next, 3:5 should be multiplied with 3 into 2, which is 6. 3 into 6 is 18. 5 into 6 is 30. Next, 5:7 should be multiplied with only 5. So it is 5 into 5, 25. 7 into 5, 35. Final ratio is 10 plus 18, 28. 28 plus 25 is 53. 50 plus 30, 80. 80 plus 35 is, it is 115, right? 80 plus 35 is 115. Answer is 53:115.